the first Sultan and the founder of the Ottoman Empire, Osman Ghazi, a true leader. Osman was born in Sogut in mid-13th century into a family striving to achieve a state of harmony and justice among Muslims of the world. The foundation of a revolutionary change in the Islamic world had already been laid by his father Ertugrul Ghazi, the leader of Turkic Kai tribe. It is believed that even before his birth, there had been revelations among Muslim scholars and saints that a blessed boy will be born who will live up to be a great leader and conqueror of the lands. Living in an era where the Mongol Empire in the east were mercilessly sweeping the lands to be taken under their rule, and Byzantine Empire in the west not allowing anyone to breach their territory, it was a state of total chaos for Osman. Osman Ghazi was well trained and ready to face the dangers while living near the border of the great Byzantine Empire. In other words, he was born to be a true warrior. Along with his skills in the battlefield, he had also been in good company of spiritual personalities of that time. A dream of Osman Ghazi is famous among Ottoman writers, in which he saw a giant tree emerging out from his chest, whose branches spread across the continents where people thrive with content. His goal was also to protect the Muslim scholars and intellectuals of that time, as he had realized their significance in building a society. Upon his father's death, he was made the leader of Kai tribe. Osman continued in his father's footsteps to carry out the holy cause. His opponents quickly realized the potential in this Turkic leader, and they started to stop him, but their efforts turned out to be ineffective. Along with the Seljuks and other Turkmen tribes, Osman laid the foundation of the great Ottoman Empire in 1299. After establishing the empire, his famous victories against the Byzantines include the Battle of Bephius, where the Ottomans defeated their counterparts. He then went on to capture Byzantine castles, including the Eskişehir, Kulucahisar, and ultimately the city of Yenisehir, which later became the first Ottoman capital. Osman kept expanding his territories from the north to the south. The continuous efforts of Osman Ghazi and his ancestors led him to raise an empire based on the Islamic ideology and the principles of justice. He died in 1326, ruling the empire for 27 years. The empire took his name and continued to spread its rule for 600 years to come.